Hey everyone, welcome to the Velour channel. Today I'll show you how to check your playtime for each Roblox game. First, open your browser, click the three dots, then extensions, and visit the Chrome Web Store. Search for RoPro. There it is. Now download the extension. Wait for it to install. It's installed now. Refresh your Roblox page and you'll see it's activated. And now you need to link your Roblox account. Open it and connect it. Click Generate Code. Copy the code, go back and paste it. There. As you can see, all your played games are now visible. Look, here you can see your playtime for each game. It'll show for every game you've played. See, that's the games you've played. Got it? That's all for now. This has been Valor. See you later, everyone.